Hello guys and namaste. My name is Ashish Rai. I am your host and you are my host and welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. Today I am going to show you how to install Burpsuite community version. And guys, if you want Burpsuite professional, then you can comment on me on comment section. I will be waiting for your comment. So guys, what is Burpsuite? Burpsuite is a setup tool which is used for penetration testing and web application testing. Guys, it is very popular and it is very famous in worldwide. Every security researcher, bug bounty hunter, and even security engineer use this particular tool to test website and to secure web application. So guys, let's start. To install Burpsuite, we have to type burp download and window. So we have to go on first website. After that we can choose this option, go straight to downloads. Now guys, we have two options, either we can go professional or either we can go community. So for this time we are going for community version. Let's download it. Guys, definitely it takes some time to download. Let's see. So guys, as I told you that Burpsuite is used in worldwide and it is very popular tool. If you are going for web application security testing, then you have to like familiar with Burpsuite. Guys, I have told you that if you want like Burpsuite professional version, then you can comment on my comment section. I will definitely give you some suggestion, and even I will try to give you full video to download Burpsuite professional. So let's wait for a few seconds. So I think this is done. Okay. So guys, as you see here, Burpsuite community version is download. So we have to double click. So wait a few minutes. Okay, next. So wait a few minutes, take some time. So now it is good to go. Let's go here, type burp and open. Next, and start burp. Open your Firefox browser. So first of all, minimize this. Okay, so let's try to intercept of website. Test. Okay, open your proxy. So as you see here, the burp suite is running correctly. If I access another website, guys, it is running accurately, guys. If you want like Burpsuite professional, then you can comment on my comment section. I definitely give you some solution to download Burpsuite professional. Guys, it is very easy. I hope this video will help you very much, and if you like this video, then you can subscribe my channel and you can give me love and many more. Bye guys.